Welcome to Heko YouTube channel. This video, Coimbatore job vacancy, retail sales officer, marketing executive, store floor manager, cashier, telecalling executive, VG Hospital, 8 vacancy, location, Metupalayam Road, Coimbatore. Company name, Macron Engineering, 4 vacancy, Pudupalayam, Tondamuthur. Walk-in interview, Monday to Saturday. Company name, Alutech Foundry India Private Limited. Vacancy, 3 vacancy. Location, Irugur. Experience, minimum 5 years. Company name, NM Engineering Industry. Vacancy, 5 vacant. Job location, Chinniyambalayam, Coimbatore. Company name, VSP Packing Automation. Vacancy, 3. Location, Kenathukadavu, Coimbatore. Office location, Kattapomman Street, Kanapati. Driving vacancy. Location, RSpuram, Coimbatore. 2 vacancies. Company name, Stucco Wall Deckers, 3 vacancy. Job location, Sarnambatti, Coimbatore. Company name, Micro Industries. Vacancy, 8. Job location, Philamedu, Coimbatore. Company name, Yati Pumps. Vacancy, 5. Location, near Koilpalayam, Tudiyalur and Sarnambatti. Company name, Export Orient. Qualification, ITI diploma and any degree. Location, Coimbatore. Company name, Proton Engineering. 2 vacancy. Walk-in interview. Job location, Pottanur, Coimbatore. Macron Engineering. Top vacancy, 6. Location, Alabachambatti, Coimbatore. Age limit, 25 to 45 years. Manovaran Hospital, 3 vacancy. Qualification, 12th any degree. Job location, RSpuram, Coimbatore. Here, milk company.